Hey, hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Deepseek R1, the hottest model in town right now. Everybody's talking about it. And today we're going to put it to test with building some games. We're not just going to do some random or boring to do apps or asking some math questions. We're going to put it to test, building some games to put to test its logic, its creativity, and also how well it can handle the complexity of building a fun game. So we're going to be building these games right here, and we're going to see if AI has really leveled up. So if you're curious to see how AI is shaping the future in software development, stick around to see it build some fun games, and let's see how well it develops, right? Okay, so here we are. This is the Deepseek chat interface, and we're gonna take advantage of it while it's free because you pay for $200, and I don't think this is gonna be free for too long, so we'll take advantage of it right now. Now, to activate the R1 model, you have to press this Deep Think button. Use Deepseek R1 to solve reasoning problems, so let's activate that. I already have a React app running. It's just a normal React app built with Vite. I already have a prompt, which I built with the help of Deepseek itself. I'm gonna leave these prompts in the description, a link with the prompts. So for now, I'm just gonna read it like real quick, an overview of it. Create a single-player word search game using React and Tailwind classes. The game should allow the user to search for words hidden in a grid of letters. The requirements are a game grid, a word list, and here's the user interaction, visual feedback, a winning condition, and styling. For styling, we want to use Tailwind CSS and also Framer Motion for, for animations. So let's press, and we're gonna have to wait a little bit because it's gonna be thinking, and let's just wait. Okay, here it is. It took like a solid 4 minutes. And if we take a look here in the beginning, it says, well, thought for 122 seconds, which is 2 minutes. Now we're gonna try it. Let's just copy and paste it here. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to create a separate component called word search. So I'm gonna just do that. Word search .jsx. And here I'm gonna paste the code, and I'm gonna create that component here in app.jsx. Here it is. Now I think everything is well. Okay, so I think we are referencing the component correctly. Now let's see the results. Wow. Wow, I mean, I didn't expect it to be this good. I don't know what I was expecting, but this looks very good. I mean, the design is okay. It looks nice. But now let's see if it works. I already found JavaScript. Let's see. Okay. Well, the way you select the words, I think it's not, the UI is not like so nice, because when you select a word, you also select everything else in the grid, but it works. It marks JavaScript as done. Let's see, here's node. Let's see if there's a game completion function, like if it tells you, congratulations, you finished the game under a minute or something. Well, now it's over a minute, but let's try it. Here's HTML, CSS, API is here, and React. So let's see. Okay, congratulations, you found our words in 92 seconds. Okay, so I think that's a pass. It was great. It was great to see this well done. So just awesome. Okay, for the next game is a Simon Says game. So it's basically the same requirements: React, Tailwind CSS, and here are some requirements and some example data. So let's just see what it does now. Validation failed. I don't know what happened. Let's refresh. Okay, copy, paste, enter. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but it's working now. Okay, it's done generating the code, and it's impressive again, the thought, the process. For example, here, this is a bit confusing. To resolve this, perhaps I'll proceed with the core functionality. So again, it's just amazing what it does. Like, scary stuff. But now let's copy the code and let's see what it does. So I have to create a component called Simon Game. Let's do that. So I'll save this as Simon Game JSX. Yeah. And let's reference that component here, Simon Game, and let's see what it does now. Wow. This is amazing. I saw like 129 lines. No, those are too few lines. And then I saw this. Wow, it is amazing. So let's start. And yeah, those were too few lines. Those were too little lines. It's not working. It's not working at all. But there's no errors in the console. There's nothing. Let's see. Let's just tell it. It's not working. It's not working. I press the start button and nothing happens. Okay, let's see. Okay, came back with a response. Let's fix this issue. The main problems are the center panel was blocking button clicks, missing state management for play input, and sequence playback timing issues. So let's copy and paste. Again, 132 lines. Not so many. But let's try it again this time. Start. Okay. Game over. What? Let's try it again. Start. Okay. Game over. Nothing's happening. And still nothing happens. Okay. I press this one. Yeah, it seems like the game is starting, but the colors aren't lighting. So I'm gonna just tell it that. Okay, so the game is starting, but the colors aren't lighting. So just fix the issue. Let's see what it does. Okay, it came back with the response. The main issue is with timing and visibility of the button activation. Let's fix the visual feedback and timing. Okay, I have to copy and paste the specific parts of the code, so it'll take some time. Okay, done. Let's see the results now. Let's see if it works. So let's start the game. Okay, the blue. Okay, blue and yellow. Nope. Let's restart it. Start. Okay, that was green. Red. No, what the hell? Let's one more time. Okay, so it's green. I get that right. and then green and yellow. What? Yeah, now I think the game is just not working properly. So let's try it one more time, okay? Okay, so I'm basically telling it to fix the issue. Okay, it came back with a response. Let's try this one last time and see if it works. So I have again to replace only some parts of the code, so it'll take some time. All right, now for the last time, let's see if it works. Let's refresh, start. Okay, red, blue. Yeah, no. I think I have to press red and then blue, right? Okay, red, there we go. Red, blue, that's right. Yeah, so now it's red, blue, blue. All right, yeah, it's working now. So it took 2 more attempts. So I'm gonna give this 89, an 89 for this one. So let's go to the next game. Okay, the next game is a memory game. I'm gonna give just a brief description of the prompt. Create a memory game with emojis using React, Tailwind CSS for styling, and Framer Motion for animations. Here are the requirements, expected output, and deliverables. I'm gonna leave a link. What? Hold on. Validation fails again. This is the second time it happens. I don't know. Maybe worldwide this model is being used, like hammered down. So maybe that's the reason. But it's working now, so let's just wait for the response. Okay, it came back with a response. So let's copy, paste. So let's create this component here, memory game. And let's see the results. Okay, so yeah, there's a problem with the, I don't think it's working. Let's see, new game. Yeah, okay. So I just told it the emojis are being shown. You need to fix that, right? Okay, here's the response. It gave me back the card component. So let's copy and paste that. And we have it working now. There it is. There's a puppy, a cat. I still have no, oh, here it is, the puppy. Yeah, that's one pair. Okay, so it seems to be working now. It's impressive how it does the animations. It's using Framer Motion, so it should be good. I'm gonna give this a 92. A 92. It's well done. All right. Okay, for the last game, we're going to create a Hangman game, and here's the prompt. It's a simple Hangman game. We're going to use React, Tailwind CSS for styling, and Framer Motion for animation. So, and let's hit it. Okay, it's done generating the response. Let's copy the code. Let's paste it. Let's create the component here. And now let's see the results. So, wow. This is better than I expected. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting that much, but all right, so let's see. A, E, I, should start with the, whoa. Hey, I like that these graphics. I mean, it's just a circle, but I mean, it's impressive. We got an error here, but it's still working. Let's see. And it even gave me a hint button. So it gives me a letter basically. Okay. Framer? The word was framer. Okay, play again. I mean, it's working and it's great. It's a simple game, so I wasn't expecting that much, but it's working perfectly. I'm gonna give this a 95. I'm gonna give this game a 95 just because it worked on the first try, and it's a 95. It's a simple game, but it did a perfect job. It did great. So that was it. That was the last game, a 95. Okay, so that was it, guys. Let me know what you think about this model, and if you want to see some other interesting stuff. Actually, I would like to go deeper into some of these games and maybe make them real-time games, maybe do some WebSockets with them. Let me know if you would like to do that so you can try them and play them online. That will be cool. Also with this new model, some more interesting things can be done. Like I'm thinking about an app that you will take a picture and it'll help you organize the stuff. Like, you know, take a picture, make a list of the items that you see in the picture or a video maybe, and then like, so you can have like an organization list of the items around your house. Or maybe a quiz app that you will just tell it the topic and it'll help you learn things by a quiz. Or I don't know, just let me know. But overall, I think this model is just amazing. I think it's better than Claude 3.5 now. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And if you like this content, if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bow, 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 bow.